Hola Bafethu, this is Tosh all the way from PSL Pulse. Bafethu, this is PSL Pulse Premier Soccer League Pulse. It runs in our fields. Ngiphethe usis Tools, ngiphethe no Zizipho lana Bafethu. Tools Zizipho egame ya today. Nibona kanjani?
Asiqale nje sithi nje Hayike angibuyele embuzweni wakho mina ngithi nje wonke amateam azodlala nathi awabheke thina siphethe ucream siphethe peanut butter siphethe cheese yabo ayikho player Pirates engengize ngincome namhlanje yabo thina siphethe depth ayikho into engekho ohlele ebenchini akahlele ebenchini ngoba eboza enzani uyabaphumuza
isikhathi sakhe siyeza
isikhathi sakhe siyeza isikhathi sabo nabo bazongena
Zizipho, we saw Tito today being introduced in the second half. He came in and did well. Ucabanga ngoTito like he's on and off form. Mawubhekile, what's the problem?
Kancane uThithu uzobuya ne kancane ngicela singamjahi uThithu uyabuya uyabona nje amathashes wakhe uba Thithu is coming but masingajahi guys yazi hey iPirates namhlanje ngiyazi ibithathwa phi le Pirates
Utshela mina
angiyazi uthi ngangu-Apolice ngangumuremi ngangumbuthuma hayi mina ngisazi
sibelebele so angitshele we won 4-0 today iscosa today was expected or you expected low or more
hey angazi the way kwenzeka ngakhona angazi yabasishaya 3 and above hey sazokhala abanye abantu la kukhona umakhelwana abasazokhala I can't wait
khona bazokhala osidumba ngabanye bazokhala ola mthuthu bazokhala ayifaka ola mthuthu lento so my last question Bafethu ngicela ukunibuza on our because we were playing a CAF ne so our next opponents what's your message to them?
My message to our next opponent, they must never come.
Usho kanje
You walk over.
Basincede bayeke
Abangezi abahlele emakhaya. This is Bhakabhaka Orlando Pirates ezikomagebhula ezagebhula umhlaba kamasipala ezayiAfrika zabuya enkanyezi izwa shapa Bhakabhaka shapa Yadem nyam